Hi everyone, welcome to Craftivity. I'm Yin. Today we're doing a live thing, but this will be recorded and put on YouTube as well. So that's why I thought to do it live and also have it recorded. Now, people are always asking one question, and it's a very understandable question because it is quite confusing. What is the difference between natural and organic products? Now that is a huge confusion in the market nowadays because everybody claims organic, everybody is claiming natural. What really is organic and what really is natural? Let me see if I can. Hello everyone, I see a few people watching here. If you have any comments, I'm not too sure if I can see your comments. Comments will appear here. I'm not too sure if I can see your comments, but I'm just gonna keep talking. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. The team is behind and they are settling some stock and products, so I hope that everybody can hear me loud and clear. I'm not seeing any of you. Oh, there, I see your comments. Great. Then I can actually respond to you as we speak. Hello, Jagdish. Hello, Helen. Went to Craftivity last week. Try the Express Bar. Just love it. Well, this is the Express Bar. It's a bar that you can come in, sit down, social distancing of course, and learn immediately what you want to make on the spot. We have a whole list of menus, but that's not what I'm here to talk about today because I don't want you all to spend too much time. But listen in on what is natural and what is organic. And if you have any questions on this, do write it down and I can try and answer all your questions right now. So this will also be recorded and put on YouTube so you can view it or review it when you need to. Thank you, Ivana. Thank you, loud and clear. Good to know. Okay, so a lot of confusion in the market right now. What is organic? What is natural? Everybody is claiming both, one or the other. One is better than the other. And we have a lot of customers coming in and saying, I want organic products. They actually mean that, what they actually mean is you want natural products, but if you want organic products, it needs to be organic certified. So if you claim or product claims that it is organic product, in the name, it needs to have organic certification. It needs to be organically certified. What that means is the grower or the supplier needs to have proper procedures to grow the products. If it's like rose plant or lavender plant flowers, you need to have certification to prove that your product has no pesticides, no insecticides, it's grown in an area that's isolated, it's using processing methods that do not contain any chemicals, it's a very natural process, and you have to go through certifications. That is what organic products mean. Now, natural is a very normal thing. Any oil, any plant-based oil, any plant-based powders are natural, but they are not all organic. Great example here is we have two oils here. One is a refined rosehip oil. Okay, rosehip oil is beautiful for the skin and ladies, especially for ladies, it's really good for skin, for wrinkles, for maintaining a youthful appearance, and it really absorbs very well into the skin. We also have another one, which is organic rosehip oil. Now, they both are natural products, but one is organic certified and the other is not. Pricing wise, of course, the organic one is going to be a lot more expensive than the natural rosehip oil, but both are natural products. I hope you get what I mean by that. When it comes to natural, it means it's naturally derived from the environment, naturally derived plants. And if it's organic, natural product, it has to be certified. Now, what's the difference? This one, it's grown in a very isolated area, it's gone through certifications, it has all the documentation, and we actually look through to make sure that if we put in organic onto our brands, we make sure that we have all the documentations possible. If not, I can always claim that this is organic. This natural product, this natural oil is organic, and I hike up the price, and it's not fair to consumers because you don't really know whether it's organic or not. Ask for certifications if you need to, or if you feel like, you know, you have some worry that you're not sure whether this product is organic or not. Now, there's another thing, like, okay, so our rose powder comes from an organic source. How we certify that it's organic is we look through all the documentations and we check through all the documentations to make sure that this supplier or grower does prove that it's organic. And not only do we look through the certification, we actually call up or check on the registry. So every person that registers organic products, there's an organic organization that we can go into to ask if this product really is organic. So that's the job on our side, to help prove or to help vet through the organic status of a product and whether it's true or not true. This product, like this rose, organic rose powder, is organic certified, but you will see that this product, which is rose buds, doesn't have the word organic on it because we don't have a source for organic. So I hope you can understand the difference between this. What else is there? Like jasmine powder that we have, it's stated just jasmine powder. It's not stated organic jasmine powder. But if it's a pomegranate powder, we have it as organic pomegranate powder because we know the source, we have checked through the documentation, and we know that it is from an organic source. So that's our job, so that you can create and formulate, and when you claim certain products, you can claim it as organic, or if you don't have the organic claims, you can't claim it organic because the product is not organic, you can claim it as natural. All the products that we make, when it comes to personal care DIY products, they all derive from natural sources. So you can always claim natural, but be wary if you want to claim organic, you really have to check the source. So any questions? That would be wonderful if you can ask any questions at all. That would be great. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, I hope you learned something today regarding organic and natural, because customers do come in asking for natural products, but they actually say they want organic products, but organic products are very different. So I hope this helps. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Stay safe out there, sanitize, wash your hands, and stay indoors. Take care of yourself. Bye.